inside. We're going to an aircraft museum. As you can see, look at this huge missile. I'm gonna explode. Look at this huge missile bomb. Come on, let's go front. Yeah, that is over there. Yeah. More missiles. And what is this? Oh my goodness. Gracious. Oh my god. It's the Indian NK-12MP, boys. This is so. And this is just the escape boat. Escape boat over here. Escape boat over here. Look at those big wheels. One more escape boat. And that we are going to go inside that little aircraft. Look at the rocket. Look at that holography. It's a holography. Whoa. So, yeah, come on, let's go front. War zone. Whoa. Sorry. Destroyed submarine. Look at that. Submarine. Look at that. Look at that. My god. It even has sound effects, you know? So cool. There's a ship. And it's the tail gun in action. Yeah, I showed them. I don't know. Look at this huge badge. Vishesh Seva medal. Look at that. Now Sena medal. Whoa. Yeah. My god. Look at this. Award in honor zone. So cool. Come on, let's go front. AV room, we can't go in there. It's so cool, dude. What is this? Thank you, Amirdal. Shabash, well done, keep it up. The last warriors of Tu-42 in 312. Traditional water guns salute the mighty Tu-142. I am 213. We're going to the we're going to the exit and we're going inside the flight. It's gonna be awesome, dude. It's gonna be awesome. Awesome. Yeah. It's gonna way to aircraft. Way to the air. Hey, come in the way to the aircraft. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Look at that. Look at those big wheels, dude. Look at those. We're still walking on this ramp way to the aircraft. We should still go to the aircraft. And we're going to go in. That's just a smaller aircraft than this one we are going in. Whoa. Then it is fall. Let's go. So piped. Pumped. Whoa. Gotta be sick, yo. What the fridges? Holy jeez. Look at that big air flight. Oh my god. So sick. So cool, dude. So cool. Oh my god, look at this flight. Look at his wings. Goes till there. Start from here, goes till there. That's a real aircraft, dude. See, 3 aircraft. The main wing. And here we go. Inside the aircraft. Look at that main wing, yo. And that back wing. So cool. Look at that. My goodness. It's the Indian Navy. Okay, we're going in.
Mission time.
We're going in. We're going in. Look at that. We're going in. We're in, boys. My goodness gracious. Yeah, I did. It's Tier 2 firefighting system. Awesome. Look at these bombs, yo. Close up. Okay, Grandma. Let's go. Whoa. Something happened there. ఏంటండి? What happened, Mommy? Oh my god. Holy. What the heck is this? Look at those wirings here. Whoa. I'm scared. Ooh, it's a bridge. It's a bridge. Look at that. Look at that bomb. And I'm so scared. It's a small bridge. And there's glass here. And we're going to fall. And there's a bomb. And there's a missile. Great. Look at that. Oh my. Holy. I know. Whoa, what is that?
This is fuel tank.
This is a fuel tank, y'all.
You have to capture the names.
Look, fuel tank number 6. I'm scared of that ocean over there. Big fat ocean, I can't swim. Look, technical compartment 5. And flight controls over there.
Amen.
Look at that. Now we're entering the main part. Oh my god, there's a pilot here. There's a pilot here. So weird, dude. Super scared.
Pilots.
Look at that. Slappy. And this is the taco. Look, as you can see, the taco.
Pilots sitting, checking antan message adi all pilots.
Okay. One more pilot over here. This is the Sonic. The Sonic dude.
They're checking.
Sonic. Take cursor control. Look at that. Yeah, I'm going to come under. That's the exit, but we're not going here. Ma, it kaadu. Look at that. Look at those pilots. Oh my god, so cool. Now that is the pilot in the front. Well, let's go. And exit. And that's it. Stop, huh?